in 2000 in 2019, if you see in 2019, if you see, the oil was there at 1.7 trillion dollars. The transaction was happening, and now you can see that cryptocurrency has moved up, and it has taken the market of 267 billion dollars. And every transaction, most of the new transactions has been happening through cryptocurrency. And for example, in gold, it has been 175 billion dollars. But if you see in 2022, the expected volume, or what happens is now cryptocurrency is leading by the way, with actually a total number of $40 trillion transaction, with secondly coming oil again, and gold in the gold as the third front. So now you can see what is the value of what is the industry level or analyst level on cryptocurrency is taking us. So this was a clear predictive analytics done, and it has been done very clearly. And this is what industry is going to take us to the next level, and only crypto is going to use in the next 2 to 3 or 4 years down the line. Now let's see what are the ways of we get the most profitable investment of 2020 as of business today, which has been done. We will, as a person or as a businessman or as a skilled employee, what everybody does is actually keep on investing in various ways. And for example, if you see, we have already invested in real estate, and the percentage of growth in real estate as per business in 2020, with the effect of pandemic, entirely changed the returns on it. So the result is only 1.6% of an investment that we get. So see friends, everybody has got houses, and everybody know what is the market current trend on that. And now let's see what is the next is nothing but from the banks, we can actually keep fixed deposits. So what is the rate of the interest, the interest that we get, a return of investment that we get in a year on a fixed deposit is 6.1%. And now we do have mutual funds. So mutual funds is also another saving plan which gives us an 8% return per year. And now we have got people, as I told you in earlier slides, that we actually invest in shares and share markets, by the way. And share market is giving a return of around 14.6% and 15.5% respectively. Now let's see the now let's see the next one, by the way. It's very simple. Now you have gold. Gold is always the same growth, or for example, anybody's growth has been invested, it's got an early return of 30% or 27.7% precisely. And we have silver also. We don't much invest in silver, but see the return that we get in silver is nothing but around 45%. Now let's see the biggest one, which is nothing but a cryptocurrency return, which is being done and shaking the entire market and shaking the entire world, and actually taking us or even gelling us, or you can use the word magnet also towards it. And the investment return that you get from a crypto is around couping 475% return. If you have invested in a Bitcoin, by the way, or if you have invested in the current, for example, the mother of crypto is nothing but Bitcoins. The returns is almost 475%, which has been done, and it has been clearly showing us what is the return or where is the focus that will take us to the next levels, or our investment segmentation to be done. So let's go to the other slide. And if you see the various brands which are currently accepting or using the crypto coins or the currency which is being currently done, is nothing but our single owned member Google is doing. You can see from your details, it's actually Telsa, you can see Microsoft, you can see McDonald's, and you see PayPal, and all the leading brands which have been using are accepting our cryptocurrency and to do it and use it, by the way. So this is what it's the acceptance of crypto is being done instead of cash, instead of money transfers, or instead of any other currency which is being done. Let's go to another slide, please. This is the best slide that we can actually see, and most of the people know what exactly and who are the billionaires who are actually taking it from billionaires in cryptocurrency, by the way. We've got only 6 names, and we just added the number of that to it. You have Mr. Ratan Tata, you have Mr. Richard Branson, the owner of Vision Group, Mr. Bill Gates, Microsoft, and the Indian actor, Mr. Padma Shri, Mr. Amitabh Bachchan is also very good investor in the crypto, by the way. And we have Mr. Vikram Pandit, the ex-Citibank Group CEO, to do it, and not the least, Mr. John David, McKinsey Antivirus. Every system, the details that we use, it's got an antivirus system, and he's also invested in that, Mr. John David. So most of the people who are invested, they are billionaires and they are crorepati's and they are lakpatis too. So let's see the other slide of what exactly will take it to us. So this is which all countries have been using cryptocurrencies or which are accepting and legal in which all countries that you can use globally. So for example, you see starting from Australia to ending to Oman. So you see east or west or anywhere in the world, this is legal, by the way, cryptocurrency and expected. And in India also, we are using cryptocurrency. And apart from that, even in United Arab Emirates or Dubai and Canada, everywhere it has been done and used in government departments to use them to make the payments and to make them safely because of the blockchain concept and the details which is available to us. Let's go to the next slide, please. So this slide, if you see the cryptocurrency, why it has come into market, the main reason is it was actually known as one world and one currency. Now, cryptocurrency, if you see, it is actually the main concept of the currencies behind actually Indian rupees. If you see in 1997, due to the inflation which is caused, it was only a $1 at the period of 1947, and $1 was 1 rupee. And after that, in 1966, it's 7 rupees per dollar. In 1985, it again went to 12 rupees per dollar. In 1991, dollar became 24. In 2020, dollar became 75. So you see the inflation price of the currencies which has been going down, and American dollar was using it, and it was very clearly done. So note, in 2020, 1 rupee for Indonesia, the value of currency, it is already gone to 193. And Somalia, you can always calculate, and you can just see what exactly happened to Bitcoin as well also. So now the currency which we are currently dealing with, there is no inflation. The details on the Bitcoin that we are available, it is done by Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto details as well as for you. Yeah, let's go to the next slide, please. Please interrupt if I'm going a little bit fast. And I believe, Jahangir, brother, I believe I'm okay. Or as I'm going fast, I can just slow it down.
No, it's okay. You can go on the same screen.
Okay.
No issue. Anyone, they can have
it. Okay. So now let's see how the mother of crypto. I think everybody know about Bitcoin, by the way. We have heard about in 2008. That we have heard about in 2012. We have heard in 2014, 15, and currently everybody is talking about Bitcoins. And the mother of crypto is nothing but our Bitcoin. So let's see what is the biography of mother of crypto is Bitcoin, by the way. And they launched it in 2008, and the founder was Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto. Basically, he's the founder of the Bitcoin, by the way. And now the country of origin is Japan, and the total supply chain of our cryptocurrencies, Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto has given is around 21 million. If you see, it is around 2.1 crores actually to be done. But Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto has already kept as a royalty around 11 lakhs Bitcoins for him. So he has just floated around 2.1 coins in the market, by the way. So now, for example, we are not able to meet Mr. Satoshi Nakamoto also to understand he's not coming out in the market or he's not showing himself to make sure what exactly happens to the other coins which is going to come. So now let's see the three basic points. Why do we need a crypto, by the way? Things to know about crypto and how it is going to useful be to us in this slide. So what is crypto? It is a virtual currency where you can't feel, and not only that, and Bitcoin is being used by using the blockchain concept. The blockchain concept is very simple. It is very secured, and the data is being cleared, and each transaction passed through the entire blockchain system which is available here, which is nothing but 6.5 lakhs blockchain systems. So for example, what are the benefits of crypto compared to the normal currency that what exactly we are dealing in, for example, an online transaction and details? The description is very simple. The transaction time, for example, if I have to send money to India to US, it will take minimum 3 to 4 days. And not only that, it has to go through various banks, it has to go through exchanges and it has to reach to an end account. If I try to send around $100, I end up only, my cousin end up by getting only around $90 or $95 for him. So what happens is like the transaction time also is not possible. But in cryptocurrency, if you send, it is on the same day, by the way. And next thing is regarding the charges. As I told you, when I try to send around $100, at the end of the day, my cousin receives only around $90. So they've got a minimum of calculation around 1,428 rupees as a transaction fee approximately, and it depends upon the exchanges and the bank rates and details later on. But here in cryptocurrency operations, we only have an SMS charge. So now let's see what is the safety aspect of which has been very clearly done. The safety aspect, it's already there. As I told you, the evaluation of technology, we are currently into the banking system. So what happens is when you try to send money, it takes 3 to 4 days. And not only that, there is actually a high risk involved when we will get, and what is the we have backend, by the way, whether it's cleared by all the exchanges or whether it's cleared by all the banks to reach to the end account. But here in cryptocurrency, if you see, you don't have any risk because it is being done under the blockchain and it is very clearly done. For example, the value for money. And if you see, the value for money is always decreasing because of inflation. If you see, for example, 1946, 1 rupee was around only $1. Now today, the dollar value and Indian value against the dollar, it's around 75 rupees. So the value is already decreased. But in cryptocurrency, we have just seen the increasing value and the increasing growth and the mammoth growth around 450% that will increase. But depending on the market, it also decreases, but not at the transition moment. We'll show in the later slides how the transaction have been increased, how the cryptocurrency has been increased on the details front. Now let's see what is the control which is available. If you see the control part, it's very simple. Third party is involved. As I told you, a bank or an exchange or any other person is involved. But here in cryptocurrency, there is no banks, there is no exchanges involved in doing any transaction. It is actually no third party also. So why do we need to know? Why do we need to know about crypto? Whenever any new technologies is coming, suggest you travel it. As I told you, we were actually evolved from, if you see from telephone, for example, starting we had from radio, from telephone, from then after that we have computers, then after computer, Wi-Fi, then after that we have smartphone. Everybody has been evolved in it. And currently we do have a cryptocurrency and we do have blockchain concept, which is also coming. It has to go through the flow. Earlier it was not talking much. As after you see the older slide, it was launched in 2008, but it was not reachable or not talked very much with everybody. People actually saying it's not going to work, it's not going to be there, it's not going to see. But if you see in today, after for example 12 years, the growth has been tremendous, and there are around not only one Bitcoin or mother of coin, you still have a lot of coins, around 8,000 coins which have been there and it's been prevailing in the market, which actually take us to the coins level but what we have. So now let's see in the next slide how India supports crypto, by the way. This is already, if you see, as I told you earlier, the global everywhere, as I told you in the previous slide, globally, the cryptocurrency is accepted everywhere in the world and it is being also used. And by the way, what is the policy of Indian government and what do they do in India, by the way? So now we actually have an example to be shown to you in a world where the way crypto is used as a digital asset as well as a tender currency, which is nothing but in the tender currency you can actually do a transaction. But in India, we cannot use it as a tender currency, but you can use it only for a digital asset. It's a digital asset which is being given to us. India also has some authorized crypto exchanges, which is called Bitness, Local Bitcoin, Wazirex, Zpay, Geotex, Bitcovia, and Bayucoin. Normally, what happens is this exchanges does not work only on the banking timing, does not work on a EOD timing also. It works 24/7, 365 a day. Anytime you can do the transaction, anytime you can do it, even in the night, even in the day, and in the midday, whatever it takes. And right now, in the next below slides, you can see cryptocurrency. Actually, we have received an award to the Prime Minister of India giving it to actually Bal Shakar Pushkar Award for crypto to be given to them. And also, if you see in economics books, it has been added in +2 syllabus, where where any kid who's actually a 12th class student also has the evaluation of money, and also the crypto has been explained clearly in actually the +2 class 12 syllabus, by the way, in teaching or in explaining what is actually a cryptocurrency. And not only that, we have our TCS, Tata Consultancy Services, who's actually launched crypto services also. If you see in the world, all the most of the banks or the exchanges or top corporate companies or anybody, if you see, they also use our Tata Consulting Services facilities to actually do it. Now, even in banks, they're actually going to conduct and to convert into cryptocurrency. There'll be another counter also. Today all the bank has fixed deposit, insurance, mutual funds counters. In future, you will have a cryptocurrency counter also to be done, which will be clearly specified and seen in other countries worldwide. So now let's go to another slide, please. Now, if you see the blockchain in India, how it's developing and who are using in blockchain in India is nothing but our ex-CM Chandrababu Naidu launched in 2017 the blockchain conference, and it also been used it, and currently followed by the current CM Mr. Jagan Mohan Reddy also, which is being used in their government departments. As I told you in the previous slide, that India has been using it on the details. So these are the Atrige Skill Development Program from Andhra Pradesh as AP SSDC. Andhra Pradesh State Skill Development Corporation Skill already has an online training program on blockchain and has got various models and resource persons also to it. And now let's come to our hometown, Tamil Nadu. For example, for most of the persons in Tamil Nadu, if you can see, the ex-CM Mr. Edappadi Palaniswamy also launched Tamil Nadu blockchain policy in 2020 as well, which clearly says, next slide please. The name is actually, can we go to the previous slide please? Yeah, the name is actually Nambikkai Inayam, by the way, if you see in Tamil. So it says Nambikkai Inayam also, the blockchain policy has been done. Okay, so let's go to the next slide also. Yeah. So now we already got Mr. Srinivasan has participated in the supply chain in agriculture, where the blockchain course has been done. It's a certificate provided by the Tamil Nadu government as well also. And not only that, the MSME also has got provided certificate on the Technology Development Center from Chennai, which has got the blockchain details to be done. So now let's see where all the blockchain implementations in India has been already happened or going or actually speak doing on that front. So now we've got from the north, we have got Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Gujarat, Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, West Bengal, Karnataka, Assam, Odisha, Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu as well. Everybody, Tamil Nadu government as well as the Indian government actually are using cryptocurrencies, crypto details to share the blockchain on that front. Now in the slide, we will talk about our global report about the blockchain and cryptocurrencies usage also. See, currently, where is blockchain is going to be used, or it is on the process or a project to be done. International Air Transport Association to launch blockchain-based passports. So because of the security, because of the systems, they are planning to launch the passport based on that also. And you know, JP Morgan, the number one banking financial company, by the way, which does all the transactions not only in currencies but also in gold. The billions of gold moves into current crypto, says analyst at JP. But now what happens is now, so it's very simple that everybody who's got reserves in gold is been transferring the reserves to cryptocurrency. That was JP Morgan's feedback on that. And we also have the daily trading volumes of the top Indian crypto exchanges surged more than 500%. So you average, if you see the flow of the transactions which is happening, not only on the currencies, but the crypto volume is actually increased a lot. And another example which is provided is nothing but the Bank of Singapore clearly says that Bitcoin is a better store of value than gold. Even the bank also says that this is the condition can be done using the cryptocurrency. And now let's see the survey which is done by Australians. Most of the Australian people, around 20% of Aussies own the cryptocurrency. If I can tell you a live example, even our cricketer, even our cricketer actually sponsored one Bitcoin basically to Indian government for the COVID and pandemic situations also. Now, blockchain is also talking about as well as to be used in our voting thing of India. For example, the trials soon in India, by the way, aided to vote by using the blockchain currencies. So now, if not only that, we have already got crypto ATMs all over the countries. If you see, United States has got around 12 lakhs 276 locations, and if you see, Barbados has got one location. So most of the countries are having an ATM machines by using cryptocurrencies to withdraw money also and to mine to BTTs. So we've got huge. The main usage of it is United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and Australia. Now, if you go to the next slide, this is Russia, by the way. Russia has got around 5,000 blockchain ATMs that can mine crypto also to it. So even in Russia, you've got the details to actually use your cryptocurrency. So you don't have to say wherever you are. You can exchange your price, you can exchange your Bitcoin anywhere in the world. It doesn't mean to that you have to show your ID or details, but you can simply use your card or simply use your cryptocurrency wallet and to withdraw and to access your money anywhere in the world to be done. Okay, now this is nothing but let's come to the price of Bitcoin, the mother of Bitcoin, by the way, how the price has been determined and what is the knowledge that we're going to get from the price. In the year 2008, one Bitcoin was costing around 0.40 paise. It's actually 50% of the paise, but in 2010 it was 2.40 paise, and in 2011 it was 1,364. Friends, in 2016 it has risen up to 60,000 per Bitcoin. But for your kind surprise, in 2020 it is 33 lakhs. That is the growth I was talking about you in the earlier course. Assume that you have invested 24,000 in Bitcoin on 2010. Basically, now your value is around 3,300 crores in your wallet or your Bitcoin prices. So this is what is the Bitcoin price which has been done. Based on Bitcoin as of now, if you see, approximately 2,851 are there in the market, but it is still improving and increasing day by day with various benefits, various coins, various baby coins, which is also been there. And I will be talking more on that baby coin that has been pertaining to the crypto family, which has more details on that front. As I told you, I was talking about a baby coin, which is nothing but it's a coin, by the way, currently, which is actually there in a billion price of Beldex. So this coin is basically available at the price of rupees 5 per coin as of today. So now we will talk more about Beldex, and we will talk more about Beldex focus, and we will talk more about Beldex coin itself. Now, now there is the now Beldex biography says very clearly, okay, it is also a cryptocurrency, and basically it's launched in 2018, by the way, and exchange listing. The listing was happening in the Bitcoin exchange on 2019, and the promoter of the Beldex is nothing but GCC Hub. GCC Hub is the same promoter of Bitcoin as well also. GCC Hub is the promoter of Bitcoin who's got a lot of knowledge and technological front on running the own hub itself, and it is run. Beldex is also has been done run by GCC Hub. And if you see the country, it is from Hong Kong, by the way, and the supply chain, it is around 1.5 billion, which is around 150 crores. The total supply which is available is around 140 crores billion, 140 crores coins, which is there in the market also for us to trade. Now let's go to the token economics of how the Beldex has been working and what Beldex will actually do for us and what are the shares involved and why we are what is the investment regarding the Belden coins. See, maximum around 60% of the share is given to 50% of the entire portfolio of around 140 coins is given to free and public sale, by the way. And they've already kept another 10% on that bounty and airdrop systems to look on the blockchains and to know that there are new technologies to be prevented. And moreover, there is another 20% to actually for the team and the team advisors, for example, who take this as a business. And not only that, they actually work on Beldex coin to actually sell them or promote them, by the way. So that 20% is also available. Okay. Now let's go in a situation where why we actually go to Beldex compared to the Bitcoin which is available to us. Okay. Now the launch of Bitcoin was in 2008 and launch of Beldex was in 2018. Exactly after 10 years, we have launched Beldex. The price of Bitcoin as of today is around 22 to 30 lakhs, which has been available around, for example, if you see roughly around $32,000 to $34,000. And the price of Beldex is being capped. It is current market price is at 5, by the way. And the transaction fee, which actually Bitcoin charges, will go up to $3. And the transaction fee, what Beldex will be charging you is around $0.001. Even here, you've got a huge savings on the charges front, where you can actually definitely buy the coins as well also. And the technology, by the way, the Bitcoin is been done is on the open source. Open source is nothing but what happens is, like for example, if Jahangir brother sends me a coin on a Bitcoin, if I have to ask him for a Bitcoin, and if I trade, and I can exactly see how much coins a Jahangir brother has. But fortunately, Jahangir brother does not have Bitcoin because he already lost the opportunity of doing it. So if it had the Bitcoin today, it will be 33 lakhs of one Bitcoin value. So now it is an open source where technology teaches me or even shows me that I can see the other person's Bitcoin also. But here in Beldex, it is actually total privacy done. And not only that, it is being used in a system such a way that it cannot be seen by any other users apart from the user ID himself. And along with it, we have got the artificial intelligence interface to actually log and do everything support on its own. So now the transaction time, for example, in Bitcoin, it happens minimum around half an hour to 1 day. If I try to do a selling, or if I try to do a details also, when I make the payment, after payment it will take another half an hour or 1 day for me to receive the coins in my wallet. But here in Beldex, it is being done at the lightning speed because of the AI international and the exposure of provided to us. Can we use Bitcoin in current utility days also? It's not possible. You cannot use in Bitcoin. But as far as Beldex is concerned, you can use in the near future, where all your utilities can be also been done. For example, today, how you're purchasing to purchase, for example, in the groceries or even Swiggy, you can still give a board or setting that I accept Beldex coins. So that is also provided here. Now, if you see the Bitcoin blocks, the blocks is around 6,70,000 blocks, whereas in Beldex is around 5,26,000. So that's where the lightning speed and details provided to us. The Bitcoin generation is actually 2G when when the Bitcoin was launched in 2008. The facility or the technology is the same from the same time because it does not have an own exchange to do with. But here we are actually on the current value with the 5G technology provided for us. Now, let's see whether Bitcoin has an own exchange. No, Bitcoin does not have an exchange, whereas Beldex, has got an exchange on its front. Now, let's go to the next slide, please. I believe it's already taking time, so let me make it a little bit faster. So now let's see how Beldex has been taking certification and accreditations for you. So this is going to be if you see this slide, this is the first Sharia complaint exchange, which is going to awarded the first Sharia complaint in the world, where any transaction there is a Sharia certification provided for most of the details. The investment is done only; it's not done in non-Sharia products. So, and apart from that, we have got the community also to support, which is nothing but the best crypto community award. We have already received it for 2019. And moreover, there is actually anti-money laundering certification provided by Estonia also, to be done. This is actually not into any kind of malpractices or money laundering services provided. Let's go to the other slide, please. So now, where do I buy my Beltex coins? There is a simple solution that you can buy the Beltex coin in Buy for You as well as in Bitcovia. You pay the currency and the coins will be given to you. So we have got the exchange also be done, and currently it is not listed. It will be listed in the Binance Pro exchanges as well also in future, by the way. But that's the price is around 5 for us. So let's go to the next slide on what are the other options and why do we need Beltex? What is the details of Beltex? There are three ways of actually looking into the Beltex investment. Is nothing but you actually buy the Beltex through an exchange and hold it. And another option, the second option is where if you want, you deposit Beltex in GCC Hub, and GCC Hub will give you benefits, which is actually showed in the earlier slides where it actually to promote their coins. And third one, you want to be as a business, you can do as a business also. For example, you are a trader and you can do that. The persons who have actually invited to you for today, they will explain clearly on the point 3 on the builders as a business or 2. And in another few further slides, I will explain a little bit fast. I'm sorry, and fast, and what are the details and how we are going to use it as a first or second level. As I told you, the exchange, whenever you buy an exchange, for example, you can use this exchange to buy and sell, and there is holding advice provided. There are technical advice provided, and not only that, how with the actually system in technical advice, our team advises you which coin, what the coins ratio, or all the things provided can be done. And not only that, you can even learn how to earn and how to sell also on the more transactions provided. Let's go to the other slide. Now, this is what Beltex second option is nothing but a promoter of the Beltex. So we actually, not only that, we can be an investor and we can also promote Beltex, where GCC Hub will make us to do how it should be done. And that is our GCC Hub's registration office, which is available in Hong Kong also. Next slide, please. So as per the point of the previous slide, I will the situation is very clear where we have talked about in the previous slide that GCC Hub, if you hold it, they will actually give us benefits. Correct. Now, let us assume that we have taken a 10,000 coins at rupees 5 as an investment today, and we have a 50,000 of an investment to rupees has been made. So now it is actually called attributes where you can keep for a regular investment. It's only for investment purpose that you keep for 18 months. And if you keep it for 18 months, that same 10,000 is provided as a stacking coin. At the maturity of 18 months, you will be eligible as 13,500. You get a 35% growth on what is the investment that you made. And apart from that, you have an optional cashback of 10,000 to be benefited also. The total coins that you get after an 18 months period is around 23,500. Normally, what we suggest is we actually keep it for 2 years. Any investment which is made, which is not made for immediate return. I know very well for everybody that you buy a property, it has gone for 10 years. If you put an FD, it's going for 1 year. Or for example, if you put in share market or in a mutual fund, it has 3 years. By the way, you also have the same option of doing it for only number of years. We have seen in history when 2010 or in 2008, what is the Bitcoin value and what is today's value, by the way. So that is how we actually plan for 2 or 3 years. Now, let's see in the Beltex coin of the average price. For example, if you're holding it for an 18 months period, you get a 13,500 and your coin value will be 3.70. That's the investment, by the way. And if it is actually, if you're getting a 23,500 additional, so your investment is basically the cost of investment will be only around 2.12 rupees. Now, can we go for the next slide? This slide, this is the most important slide where you will actually have a clear information or clear understanding or clear knowledge of what has been happening on the various coins, which I've told you around 8,000 plus or 2,300 active coins and their investment purposes and the returns which has been made for all these years for a period of one or two. So a small calculation for you to refresh your mind and to refresh the session also. So now, if assume that you are investing a 1 lakh coin, if you have invested a coin in Bitcoin, by the way, the price of the Bitcoin was 2.40 and the investment amount was 2.4 lakhs. And over a period of 12 years, the current price is around 33 lakhs. So when you calculate, the value of the investment is around 33,000 crores. That is what is actually alarming everybody. Hope we have holded it. So this is what is the investment that we get. Now let's go to the other coins which has been there in the market. Now Litecoin, which was launched at the price of 5 years ago. What happened at for 5 lakh investment, and actually for 9 years ago, it is around, the current price is around 9,000 or 10,000, and it is around 100 crores, by the way. And Ethereum coin, if you see, it is 18 rupees per price, which is an investment of 18 lakhs, launched a period of 6 years before, and the current price is around 90,000 rupees, which is around 900 crores. And Monero, the value was 40, and the lakhs of investment is 40 lakhs. The period was around 6 years, and the current price is around 10,000 rupees. So if you see, it is around 105 crores, the investment part. Now, for example, a Binance coin was launched at a price of a 6, and it is almost for a 6 lakh investment. It was launched a period of 4 years. So you can see the coin, which is Binance, is around 4 years, and the current price is around 2,961. And you will get a whooping crore of 30 crores as investment return in a period of 4 years. Now, let's come to our coin or our promoter, which is Beldex. That is actually providing it at 5 rupees per coin, and your investment is 5 lakhs. And let's see what number of years. Can we have the slide, please? Let's see the number of years. It's already launched in 2018. Previous slide, please. Sorry. The previous slide. Previous slide, please. Sorry, there is an issue, by the way. Yeah, sorry. So now let's come to Beldex coin. It's an investment of 5 lakhs. And you see the period is around, for example, you get around 3 years now or future. If you keep as 5 rows, you please calculate after 3 years or 4 years or how many number of years, what is the growth that you will be getting. We have put an approximate value. It's at the same 5 rupees today. So this is the calculation for our Beldex coin. Now let's show me as an investment plan, what exactly happened for the 3 years. If you actually keep around an investment and keep it for around 3 years, and you don't do any other thing, only as an investment purpose. Please, Brother Jangin, can you just go to the next slide, please? So now this is the additional benefit when you actually accumulate or stacking your investment or keep an FD option for actually investment of 5 lakhs for 3 years, by the way. So very simple calculation that has been shown to you. If you actually are investing around 5 lakhs of BDX coin at 5 rupees today, you get an income of 25 lakhs. So you keep it for the first year, and what GCC Hub gives to us is a 35% benefit. So for a 5 lakh coin, you get another 1 lakh 75 coin, and we again keep a total of for the 1 year, which is around 6 lakh 75,000 coins. And we keep it for the second year, it is actually a 6 lakh 75,000, and you get another benefit of 2 lakh 36, and total is around 9 lakh 11,000. And for the third year, you get a total coins of around 12 lakhs 30 coins. So for example, you made an investment of 25 lakhs, and 25 lakhs divided by the number of coins that you have received after 3 years, it will be around 2.03, the value, but today's value is around 5. So what is the value that the coin is around 2? Assume, for example, the coin is staying at the same year after 3 years, you will get 61 lakh. Assume the coin is around setting at 10 rupees, you get 1.23 crores. You are a crorepati, by the way. Assume the coin is going at 250 rupees, it is around 6.5 crores. Assume if the coin moves to 100 or 500 or 1000, this is the business investment opportunity, which was clearly stated earlier slides around the open cryptocurrency market, around 475% growth. And this is what is happening. Let's go to the next slide and see the other country or the benefits. Now, as I told you very clearly, this is the business opportunity which makes a franchisee model plus affiliated. And not only that, to get unlimited income to be done. So this is what is the future, and this can be done. So now we come to the same slide of the old one. As I told you, we are going on a single track. So now right now, this is the time that we have to take a next track to go. And cryptocurrency will show you the way. Cryptocurrency will show you the way to do it. Also, as per Warren Buffett's statement, never depend on a single income. Make an investment to create a second one. Yes, friends, now we know the way to create the second income. The choice is yours. And please talk to the person who have already, please talk to the person who have already invited you to the session. And any questions, I'm ready to answer to you also currently now.
Great
Hello?
question.
Yes, sir. Hello, the forum is